Good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2012 Chemistry Past Question 23. The oxidation number of boron in this given compound containing sodium, boron and hydrogen is. So we are asked to find the oxidation number of boron in this given compound. Now option A says -3, B -1, C +1 and D +3. Now looking at this compound here, sodium and boron here act as cations, while this hydrogen here acts as an anion. Now looking at this, the oxidation number of sodium is +1. Oxidation number of sodium is +1, and in this compound the oxidation number of hydrogen is assumed to be -1. So we equate this to 0. So we have oxidation number of sodium, which is +1, plus boron, which is what we're looking for, plus that of hydrogen, which is -1, times 4 is equal to 0. So we have +1 plus B minus 4 is equal to 0. Now from here we'll have that +1 minus 4 will give us -3. So B plus -3 is equals to 0. Now taking this -3 to the other side, we have B is equals to +3. So the oxidation number of boron in this compound is actually +3, which is option D. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on past questions.